Hi beautiful people, look at how luscious this meal looks. This is called fiofio. It is known as pigeon pea in English. Come with me, let me show you how to make this. Can you believe this is something a lot of us are sleeping on? This is a legume. It is highly nutritious. So this is what it looks like. So I know a lot of people in Africa, Southern Asia, and the Caribbean actually eat this. But this particular recipe is from the eastern part of Nigeria. So the first thing to do is to pick this as you normally pick beans, pick out the dirt, wash it off, and put it on fire. I think maybe why people sleep on this particular meal is because it takes so much time to cook. Like it takes hours to get it to be soft. So my cousin said I should put a spoon in it and it will help it. And then I know of putting onions in beans and it helps it cook faster. So that was what I did. I really don't know if this helped, but I'd like to believe it did. So the thing to do is to let this cook until it is soft and you can break it with your between your fingers. Then I added yams and just let everything cook until it was soft. Now the next thing I did was to sieve it out, and keeping the yam separately, I also left some yam pieces in the fiofio, and the next thing I did was to pound it. I think this is optional, but I think this just like takes it to another level. So I pounded that, and then in a pot I just put some oil, onions, salt, pepper, seasoning, and then some crayfish. You need a lot of crayfish, but just be careful. You're not trying to fry the crayfish. You're not trying to fry this like you're frying stew. You just want to get that fried crayfish flavor, just a little bit. Yeah, so try not to over fry it, and then put back everything in and mix it properly. You guys, this meal, hey, if you have ever eaten this, please let me know in the comments. If you know how to make this, or if there's another method you use for making yours, please let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.